ever wonder what happens when a gut feeling clashes with procedure? For the dedicated officers of the intelligence unit, those moments defined their world. Season 13 of Chicago PD left fans on the edge of their seats, and the winter premiere is about to throw them right back into the fire. The team faces a rapidly unfolding crisis involving a missing girl and a dangerous suspect. But this isn't just another case, um, and it's a ticking clock scenario, and the stakes are incredibly high. The premiere, titled Born Screaming, picks up almost immediately where things left off magic. It's a rare move for the show, diving right into the action without delay. Imani's impulsive decision to intervene in the Bell case has put her in a precarious position. Her actions stem from a deeply personal place triggered by the specifics of this case. Voight, a seasoned officer, must now navigate a complex situation. He is facing a younger officer whose instincts, while admirable, lack the restraint that years on the force provide. By the dynamic between Voight and Imani is particularly intriguing. She's been designed to be a partner for him, creating a complicated relationship built on shared drive and differing experience. Expect to see parallels in their instincts, but also a stark contrast in their ability to control them. Imani's inexperience is the key factor, leading to a potentially messy situation. The case centers around an innocent child caught in the crossfire. Imani simply can't stand by and wait for warrants or evidence when a girl's life is on the line. It's a conflict that drives the narrative forward in class. The premiere promises a fast-paced, action-packed hour, and the consequences of Imani's actions will be immediate, and the team will be forced to react quickly. It's going to be fascinating to watch Voight attempt to rein in Imani while grappling with his own tendency to bend the rules. Deborah, he's a master of walking the line, but this situation will test his patience. Tune into NBC on Wednesday, January 7th at 10 p.m. ET to witness the explosive return of Chicago PD, season 13. Don't forget to catch the premieres of Chicago Fire at 9 p.m. and the Max Gun Day. ET and Chicago Med immediately following. You can also revisit earlier episodes via Peacock. They say time flies when you're having fun. But on Chicago PD, it seems to fly when someone's about to make a really bad decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,